the kitchen looking cute from here. Can you see the back? We did those hanging shelf and we painted black. Oh, hello, honeys. How are you? How are you? So I was having my lunch break. It's 3. I don't even know if that qualifies as a lunch break. So I decided, wow, why don't I shoot a quick living room tour of how my living room looks on a day-to-day basis when I'm working, because I do work from home. So, hmm, this is how it usually looks. It's kind of in a mess, but excuse the mess, excuse the mess. This is how we live. This is how we live. And look at this. This is a problem with bleaching your hair. This is hair. This is like my hair is dead. Nywele imekufa, imekufa. So I changed my barber and I'm not liking this. I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm not used to it, but I don't like being shaved to the point where you can see my scalp. But I told him just nimekuletea kichwa, go wild, go wild. And this is how much wild he could go. Kind of disappointing because I was waiting for something just extra. I was feeling extra and I didn't get to experience the extra. So I think we'll just go back to our kinyozi, our village kinyozi. So if you've not subscribed, I don't know, what are you waiting for? Aki ni ndio urenda ngwire atia ma urenda ngwire atia. Did you subscribe? How did go subscribe? Join the family. We're growing. We're growing. We're growing. Pole pole tu, pole pole tu. So without further ado, without further ado, let's get into the video. So normally this is how we stay. Beatrice spot is there, Didi's spot is there, and Bubu's spot is there. When she's not there, she's either in the bedroom or inside that cabinet, the white one down there. So this is the view from the bathroom hallway, small hallway. So when you come in, you find that mat that says, wipe your paws. I got this in town and I had to take it because so when you come in, so this is the view when you come in. So I had these chairs made. That one was made with the one that is in the kitchen, and he did such a good job. So when I asked him to make this one, the kitchen one is a 3-cushion one. So when I asked him to make this one, I wanted him to make it a bit bigger so that I can put the pillows on the side when that seat is that way, because I keep moving my furniture a lot. So for now, I'll know how to fix that because we might be having this set up for like a few months. So my cushions are 27 by 20. They are very deep and I wanted very deep cushions because I wanted to be comfortable when I sit in. I got my carpet from Gikomba. It's a thrifted one and it's so beautiful. Look at that texture. It's so beautiful. Over here we have our table. So the what is it called, the shell has already been made. It was going to be metal because I do like mixing my metal and wood because it gives stability to my pieces. So I just placed this cypress 4x2 on top to hold it because this is not the how I want my table to look like. And it's going to take some time before I actually make it over. So, and I wanted something to use in the meantime so that this space cannot be empty. And then on your right is the TV console. I got this from Kamindi. I think it was around 9,000 or something. Yeah. So over there I have just some small knickknacks. This speaker, I got it from Kilimall. I think it was 1,200 and it's a portable speaker and it's so cute because it has that retro vibe, if you know what I'm saying. And of course our DIY items as decor. Then over there we have this other couch. All of them are 4x4 and I really liked this design. I liked this design, so nice. And we have my throws over there and my pillows. So I moved my dining. Before it was on this window, but we're having construction being done on the property and I didn't want to keep looking at them when they are doing construction. So I moved it to this area and I'm loving it because you see it's next to the window for the kitchen. So I usually place my things there, then I zunguka and pick them and use them on the table. So this is where I work from. This is a 3-seat dining set and I had it made by a local fundi. It's so nice. So the other chair, I put it in the bedroom because I only need 2 for now. Of course, you need your water while you're working. And then this is one of my favorite things in the house. That's a DIY. What is it called? Um, what is it called? Yeah. So it's just a fabric that has been mounted on wood, and I use it like so cute. Look at those colors, and those are the colors that I'm pulling for the sitting room. As you can see, we have those creams, those golds. There'll be reds and blacks. So beautiful. So this was in the kitchen. I have, oh my God, I have grappled a lot with where to put this. It has been in the kitchen, it has been in the bedroom, because I wanted this to be a wine cabinet, the top one, and the bottom one, I wanted it to be in the bedroom. But I will just complete it as it is, DIY it and finish it as it is, as a hatch, a complete hatch. So uh, just wait for it. I hope you'll subscribe. And in there, we have our nini. In there, we have a bag that has what are they called? The dining table cloths, like the ones I use to place my mugs and things like that. And over here, we have my printer, because of course we are going to print as we work. And up there, we have our plant. This plant gets moved so much. I have only 3 plants. I need to add more, but I don't know what I'm waiting for. So that's our view from this corner. And which is the best view to get this? I think this is the best view. Oh yeah, that is a good view.